Hello, if you're anything like me and you've been searching how to grow on YouTube, then you've likely come across the VidIQ. I managed to find a $1 trial for a month on their, I think it's called their Boost plan, and I immediately connected my Gentity's Everyday Mom account, so not this one, my mom account, to it, and started using all the optimization tools that it has. And so far, after using it for almost a week, I've found that it is really helpful for me. If you are more experienced in YouTube or you had a team, then you may find a different experience to me, but for me, I have found it really good. On the Today page, it gives you like a quick rundown of your channel stats, asks you if you want to optimize your latest video, something I've already done. Gives you some daily video ideas that have very high like prediction rates. You could use, like, there's all these options down the side, like generate, create, optimize keywords, outliers, ideas, and coach. So you could generate you could click into generate, or you could do it here. Homemade pumpkin pie. Excuse the spelling. Get a video idea, gives you some keywords, gives you a title. You could change that title if you want, make it longer, add some excitement, make it shorter. Gives you an idea of a description you could use, some tags that are good. They have a rating system of 0 to 100, 100 being perfect, amazing, really searched term, 0 being probably don't use a 0. So most of the ones for the pumpkin pie seem to come in the yellow zone, which I guess is like a medium. It also gives you a few thumbnail ideas to use, and you can just click on them and download them to your computer. Gives you a hook, an outline, and you could even generate a script for your video. You can favorite it, whatever you want to do. Head back to that page. You could just search up the keywords pumpkin pie. See how that is rating. So it's a highly searched term today, but the competition is also very high. So that tells me that maybe it might not necessarily be the best of videos for me to do, being that I'm a small channel trying to grow, so I'd probably want to do something that has a little bit lower competition. So something with a lower competition, let's have a look. Related keywords, sorry. Competition, we want to go to the very low competition, and it gives you like very low competition keywords. So canned pumpkin, this must be a YouTuber. Mini pumpkin pies, crustless pie. So if we do a mini pumpkin pie, it's low competition, keywords ranking quite high, and it comes up with, it's a medium searched term, but the competition is kind of low, so you're more likely to get someone coming to your video. I think this is one of the best tools in VidIQ, because it gives you such a good idea of whether you're doing something that's too oversaturated or something that's very popular and needs more content. So we'll head back up to here. So you've got these ideas, but you could view all the daily ideas, and you could basically go through and have no idea what you want to create a video on, but these ideas come from ones that are similar to your niche within your channel, so it will give you a good idea of what to do. So something that would be good for me would be, that sounds yummy. Declutter your kitchen in just 1 hour. So I can save that one. And my idea is saved. You can click on that idea and it will come up with the top 10 ranked videos in YouTube when you search for that. So you could have a look through them, get some ideas off them, and then from there you could use that title, head into create, type it in there and start creating. I'm not going to go too much more into this because I think you could use the free tools. I'm not exactly sure what is the free tools, but just being able to optimize your videos, making sure you're getting good keywords, good thumbnails. It doesn't quite love my thumbnail, but I would rather use one of the actual room that the video is about rather than like a AI room. So I'm keeping it at that. Loves my keywords. I try to keep mine above about a 50, which is medium. And I use up as many of those 500 as I can. And as soon as you do something on here and hit publish, it automatically goes over into your YouTube channel, to your studio. So yeah, if you're wanting to try out VidIQ, try out their free features, or you could go search for the $1 offer for a month. It's a pretty good idea. Yeah, I recommend giving it a try. Alright, thanks for watching.